I like pink. Pink. Pink.
I just found this and I thought it was absolutely hilarious. And if you want to see another thing with Xi Jinping, then stick around. A warm welcome to the channel. It's the 15th of April 2023. It is Songkran here, and you can check out some videos related to the Thai and also the Khmer New Year. What's happening with the Three Gorges Dam? Well, I do have this report from New China, which is state-affiliated media in China, giving the wonderful news how everything is wonderful at the Three Gorges Dam. Now, please do note, transparency in China is near enough -0. So always take this with a pinch or a grain of salt with the numbers and the figures. But this is what the Three Gorges Corporation is reporting at the moment. We are about 2 weeks into the flood season in China, and if you look at the weather forecast, it does have drips and draps, which we will show a little bit later for the next 5 days coming, but there have been some heavy rains and floods in China for this year 20. So you may ask yourself, what are the levels like at the Three Gorges Reservoir? Well, we do have the latest of today, and since the last 24-hour period, it says it's gone up to 155.27. There's no inflow, but there is an outflow of 5,960, I do believe. So with that, let's have a look at the musical forecast for the whole of China. The hand is actually by the Three Gorges Dam for a point of reference. And this is what it can be like when driving through some rural parts of China. I hope your tires are strong and I hope you drive safely. Also, related to transportation today, again, I did find this video and I found it actually quite fun to watch, as the person who made the video actually quoted. This is on the Yangtze River, and this is some of the transportation. Now, you would think this would be a thing of the past in China because they say it's all modern and everything's high-tech, etc., etc. But they still do things in the old-fashioned way when it comes to river crossings and getting the transportation like the HGVs or the trucks from one place to another. Now, a little bit earlier, I did show you this.
I like pink. Pink. Pink.
Oh my God.
Well, how about this one, ladies and gentlemen? This is Xi Jinping slapping and singing Old Black Betty Ram the Lamb, Old Black Betty Ram ba dam ba doo ba doo ba doo.
Oh, Black Betty, bam ba dam. Oh, Black Betty, bam ba dam. The Black Betty had a job, bam ba dam.
There really is a plethora of things which is happening today. Now, you may have remembered last week, China did their war games again, trying to encirclement Taiwan, and the Taiwanese people are just don't really care anymore. So much so, they're making fun of the situation. Here's a small CNN report about some badges for making fun of Xi in Taiwan.
People in Taiwan are rushing to grab a patch that shows a black bear, as you can see, punching Winnie the Pooh. The black bear represents Taiwan, while the fictional character Winnie the Pooh has been a mocking reference to Chinese President Xi Jinping for some time now. These patches have been available since last year, but they've exploded in popularity after China carried out military drills around Taiwan. Air Force pilots were seen wearing these patches on television, and now its creator says he's had to order more to keep up with the demand.
And what has she been doing recently? Once again, just basically lying. And this is Xi when he went to Guangdong province, which is very close to Hong Kong, and quoted, "China will not follow the path of Western modernization, whose hallmarks are polarization and robbery." Yeah. But if we go to this, and I said, is China stealing military technology? Basically, yes. Yeah. China achieved the 5th generation fighter by copying the US military tech. You can Google this and it's quite interesting. And does China steal US patients? Or patents, sorry, not patients, patents. That's another thing entirely. Theft of American intellectual property, IP, is a principal irritant of the US. So basically, they do. So why are you saying we're not going to copy the US when basically, well, you do steal a lot of things. It is robbery. It is a crime. And there's so much evidence to prove it. But again, this is China for you. Not the people of China, it's the government of China, the Communist Party of China. It's just the transparency of them is just awful, and it's really annoying. On a lighter note, you may remember the theft of some secret files related to the Ukraine, and I did find this picture here. That brings us to a close on the 15th of April, Saturday, 2023. My cat is listening very carefully down there. He's actually very well. And I will wish you a happy weekend. Be safe, be well. What I will leave you with is a little bit of the Songkran Festival here. And you can go to you can just scroll through my channel and you can see some of the episodes of what's happening here. It's very wet and it's very wild. My name is James. This is the James N. Cooper Show. Bye-bye for now. Ta-ra.